Stupid mouse got birdseed in my car, in my vent. So we got to get it out of there. Here's a couple things I had laying around. Duct tape, some tubing, my knife, and living in East Palestine, of course, we have bottled water container. All right, I don't have anything to hold my camera, so I just cut the bottled water bottle in half. I'm gonna take this bottle, I'm gonna put it into this vacuum attachment, and I'm gonna duct tape it. What I want to do is compress it close down to the nozzle, or the seed's all going to come out into the cup, which actually really wouldn't be that catastrophic. But let me squeeze it so most of it goes into the vacuum itself. And I'm going to leave a little tab on this tape at the end to make removal of this thing easy, so this just sits free. And I'm going to put this tube in here. I'll extend the tube into the vacuum itself. You can't see, but I'm putting it into the actual attachment. Then I'm going to duct tape it. And that is it. Seems like it should work. We're going to see. There's a little honeycomb pattern thing there. Not even quite sure what that's about. And all the birdseed is gone.